Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Corsair 4000D Mid-Tower ATX PC case. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX case with easy cable management and exceptional cooling. A steel front panel offers optimal airflow to your components, accompanied by two included 120mm air guide fans designed with anti-vortex vanes that enhance cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it effortless to route major cables through a single channel, with 25mm of routing depth. Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven Corsair build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice for an immaculate high-performance PC. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A spacious interior fits up to 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including 360mm in front and 280mm in the roof. Our second best PC case is NZXT H510 ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. This compact mid-tower is an ideal case for high-performance builds and features a perforated front panel for maximized airflow. The H510 is easy to build in and offers flexibility for a variety of ATX parts. This compact mid-tower is an ideal case for high-performance builds and features a perforated side panel for maximized airflow. The H510 is easy to build in and offers flexibility for a variety of ATX parts. The perforated front panel and two Air F120mm fans deliver superior airflow and improved temperatures. With a USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, it's easier than ever to connect the newest smartphones, high-speed external storage, or the latest peripherals to your PC. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel are ideal for a stunning build. The patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive and easy. Third in our list is Zalman S3 ATX Mid-Tower Computer PC Case. Zalman S-Series case line is meant to awe with the affordable case designed to maximize airflow. Full acrylic side panel, bottom and top dust filters, and up to 8 fans can be installed. Zalman S-Series case line is meant to awe with an affordable case designed to maximize airflow. Full acrylic side panel, top and bottom dust filters, and up to 8 fans can be installed. Luxurious hairline front panel design and dual intake design with metal finish. Full acrylic windowed side panel applied. Dual line front ventilation with metallic decoration. Top and bottom dust filter smooth air circulation and protect the case from dust. Zalman's optimized cooling solution up to 8 fans can be installed. Number 4 in our best PC case list is Cooler Master NR200 Mini ITX Case. The Cooler Master NR200 is a small form factor chassis that combines space-saving efficiency with cooling capabilities normally found on much larger ATX cases. 280mm radiator support, 155mm CPU cooler height limit, ample ventilation, and 7 possible fan mounting locations provide multiple cooling options whether air or liquid cooled. Combined with 3-slot GPU compatibility and custom water cooling pump mounts, the NR200 has few restrictions for even some of the hottest running hardware. The Cooler Master NR200P is a small form factor chassis that combines space-saving efficiency with cooling capabilities normally found on much larger ATX chassis. 280mm radiator support and 7 possible fan mounting provide a multitude of cooling options whether using water or air. The choice of tempered glass side panel or vented panel alongside the inclusion of a PCI riser cable make the NR200P one of the most flexible small form factor chassis out there. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Corsair 5000D Mid-Tower ATX PC case. The Corsair 5000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX case that shows off your PC, and not its cables. An airflow-optimized front panel delivers maximum ventilation to your system, while Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management makes it simple to keep cables hidden from sight. Two Corsair Air Guide fans offer directed airflow, and a motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts lets you install multiple 360mm radiators. An optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. A spacious interior fits up to 10x120mm or 4x140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including up to a 360mm in front or side and a 360mm push/pull in the roof. The 5000D Airflow isn't your standard mid-tower ATX case. While not as big on the outside as a full tower, its brilliantly engineered interior offers expansion potential for liquid cooling. Equipped with two Corsair Air Guide 120mm fans featuring anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A PWM fan repeater controls the included fans, with connections for up to 6 in total. Reduce fan speed when you want to keep your system quiet, or increase when you want to push its performance, all from a single 4-pin PWM header on your motherboard. Install two simultaneous 360mm radiators in any of three 360mm radiator mounting locations to keep things cool.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!